Good morning. We had done an earlier broadcast. I'd left out something I wanted to redo. So let's take a look at where we are in the markets right now. All of the markets are down at the moment. Every market on this board is down. We've got the one exception is the dollar is up. Agricultural markets have certainly backed off overnight. We'll look at that in just a second. We've got global stock markets. Asia is closed up. Europe is mostly lower right now, and the U.S. is slightly lower. Some news overnight. An analyst with Goldman Sachs are warning that crude oil could drop to as low as $40 a barrel. That is in the news right now, and the market is at $43.95. That doesn't seem like too much of a stretch to drop to that level, but that's some of the talk right now. We'll look at the markets and where we are, and then I'll go over our crop progress report that came out yesterday afternoon. December cotton down 40 at 66.89. The low last night was 66.72. The high last night was 67.24. November soybeans down 14 at 10.25 and a quarter. A high of 10.47 and a low of 10.22 and a quarter. December corn down 5 3/4 at 4.09. A high of 4.17 and a quarter. So it was quite a bit higher last night. The low is 4.07. September wheat down 6 1/2 at 5.43 1/2. The low was 5.40 3/4. The high was 5.59 1/4. Crude oil is down 44 cents a barrel at 43.96. The dollar up 4, gold down 3, silver down 13, and the S&P futures are right now down 1.6. Crop progress yesterday did show some improvement in cotton. The good to excellent category 61%. That was an improvement. The crop is 61% squaring. The average for this time of the year is 60%. 19% setting bowls. The average for this time of the year is 17%. Soybeans down. Soybeans good to excellent category 62%. Good to excellent. Previous week had been 64%, so we slipped some there. Soybeans are blooming at 34% versus the average for this time of the year normally is 32%. We've got soybeans setting pods at 7%. The average for this time of the year is 5%, so we're a little ahead of schedule there. Corn is 65% good to excellent, 19% silking. The average for this time of the year for silking is 27%, so we're certainly behind there. Spring wheat continues to slip, 35% good to excellent for spring wheat. The previous week was 37%. Okay, let's look at the calendar. We have wholesale trade at 7:30 and API energy stocks at 3:30. That's it. We'll continue to watch this market. Grains are definitely a weather market, and we could see continued volatility in that. Cotton's had a good sell-off. We're approaching a level where some analysts think we'll find support. So that's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.